Welcome back to the community, everybody, and thank you all for being part of it. If you had caught there was no DIY Tuesday, I usually always have a DIY every week, but I posted on our group on Facebook, so not all of you caught it, obviously, that I was sick. I apologize. I usually always get one up every week. The finishing for the seat one will be part 2. I'm doing it over the weekend because it's a couple-day process. I'll smash it together, and it will be up Tuesday. Today, I want you to take a look at this event coming up in case you live close.
Make sure if you're in the Maryland area, September 17th for a really good times at VW's by the Bay. It's in Perryville, Maryland. Don't forget to check it out or you're going to miss a really great time.
And if you're near there, please attend it. I think you'll have a lot of fun. We are going to interview Raul, and he's going to be taking it away in a second. I really appreciate him doing this self-interview, and I'll talk to you at the end and give you an update of what's coming up. Take it away, Raul.
Hey, Slade, Raul here. Greetings from California. Today I'd like to take the opportunity to show off my 1965 bug project. Just got it maybe about a month ago. So I hope you find this video entertaining. All right, thanks. Alright, I don't know about you, Slade, but this kind of gives me these 80s flashbacks from Hot VW magazine. The thing runs, and I'll show you how it turns on. It's kind of interesting. They did is they shaved off the handles here. I guess that was a thing to do in the 80s. Let me show you my gas tank. This is how I got it up into the driveway. As you can see, it is a project. It does turn on, and I know I'm gonna get comments about starting the car up like this, but it's just to start it up. I'm not driving it anywhere. It does need the complete brakes, which I'm thinking about putting in some 2.5-inch drop spindles with the drums. Hopefully they have that available. I'm not sure because it's been a long time since I worked on the bugs. I used to own a lot of bugs, Carmen Diaz buses back in the day, so thank you, Slade, for all the videos that you showed us, and I'll be using a lot of them to work on this car. I will be replacing these windows because, as you can see, for whatever reason they took the vents out and they wanted to make it like a Cal style bug. This is not even real glass, this is plexiglass, and I'll show you guys why. So as you can see, that's my door handle, and what they didn't do is to do this correctly. I guess if you roll the window all the way down, this little part right here will slide in and crack the window. That's why we have plexiglass there, I guess. So I'll be switching out the doors. I used Slade's advice to put a little like WD-40 on these screws, and they popped right off. I don't know if they already worked on it or what. I will be doing the pedal assembly. I'll be using Slade's video to help me with that. And as you can see, there is some rust. The floors are not too bad. And I did start wire wheeling part of it, but as you can see, I have a long way to go. I will probably be using spray paint, the one that Slade showed in the video. But we'll see how that goes. Oh, let me turn on the bug for you. All right. This probably is not going to be Slade approved, but I had to do this to get it up into my driveway. There we go. Now we go in here. This is where the switch is. And let's just tap it against here. Remember, I'm not driving this. This is just to get it up into the driveway. All right, there we go. Now that it's on, I want to take the opportunity to show you the engine. And I'll be doing little videos here and there to show you what's going on. I doubt this is the original engine. use my door handle here. Let's turn off the car. I don't know what they were thinking, but I guess everybody has their own taste of colors and stuff. So this will all be changed out, including the doors. I will eventually want to get the pop-up windows for the 65. And aside from that, there's not too much more. We'll see how it goes. This will be a fix on a budget for sure. And I'll take you guys along for the journey. I'll be posting videos every week just to keep you guys updated, and I'll be using Slades videos to help me out.
Take a look at Raul's channel right here to follow him along for his journey. I think it will be a lot of fun to watch the progress as it comes along.
Just before I let you guys go, I just wanted to go over a few other parts with you guys. Just wanted to look down here and show you guys if any of you guys know what happened here or what could have caused that. I don't know. But anyways, I'm gonna have to get new shocks for it for sure. And as I go through it every day, I find new stuff, which I'll update you guys on as the journey goes. Most of you VW guys who restored these things know that it takes a while to get them, back to, bring them back to life. And I also wanted to show you guys this. I was wondering why I was driving not so smoothly on the way in, and I figured out why when I went under it. I didn't look at it at this part before I bought it. I mean, it wouldn't have made a difference either way because it's just a new shock that I have to put in. But I'll probably be rebuilding this whole area right here. Probably get some, well, like I said, I'll probably get some drop spindles. Probably have to get new drums, according to what the guy said when I bought it. Might have to replace all 4 drums, and I'll take the opportunity to put new bearings in there also. What else was I going to show you guys? Let's see. Oh yeah, when I do the pedal assembly, show you guys. When I do the pedal assembly, as you can see, I'm gonna have to replace that screw. That's what I like about the VWs. You can, kind of alter them to get you home somehow. I remember a lot of times getting towed home by my dad with a rope in his station wagon. So I don't know if you guys want to maybe throw in some comments. Let me know where you think I should start. It's a little bit overwhelming right now to think of all the things that I have to do to this thing. But I think what I'm gonna do first is make a list of everything I need, and then probably start with the safety stuff first. I'm gonna get the headlight. I'm gonna work on the brakes, the ignition switch, and the gas tank. Get my fuel going before I even think about starting on the engine, because I know the engine starts, but the ignition switch is on the way with the key. That way I don't have to hot wire it anymore. The gas tank, of course, is a major safety issue, which I'm gonna take care of. The gas tank is on the way. I ordered it from I think it's J-Bug, and it was pretty reasonable, $127 for a new gas tank. I don't know how good it's going to be compared to an original gas tank, because I haven't had to use their parts yet. It's kind of brand new to me. So I don't know if you can comment on any issues that you guys had or that you ran into. I also bought the sending unit from J-Bug. It's plastic, which I'm pretty sure is not going to be as good as the original, but I'm going to use it and I'm going to see how it works, and then I'll keep you guys updated on that. The other thing I just found out too, that when you buy a gas tank, you have to buy everything that goes along with it. So there is a filter that goes inside the gas tank, and that little metal part that goes underneath the gas tank that hooks your hose up to the main line. the sanding unit gasket comes all separate. But what I did forget to buy is the gas cap, which I think I'm gonna run to one of my local guys. He's probably gonna be able to hook me up with a gas cap for a pretty reasonable price, hopefully. So we'll see how that build goes. And trying to wire this headlight. It's just got some wires sticking out of it. This one works. The one on the left, where the passenger side one works, but the one on the driver's side, it doesn't work as well. So that'll be another video too. So this thing's gonna keep me entertained for a while, I think. Just doing the brakes alone is gonna keep me entertained for a couple of weeks at least. This is a good project for me, I think. Helps me take my mind off of the everyday. And when it's complete, I'm still not sure about what color I'm gonna paint it. Got a couple of ideas in mind. If you guys don't mind commenting what you guys think would be a good color for this, or if I just sand it down. I'm definitely gonna take off that whatever color that is, the green and the, I'm gonna call it salmon. You guys can call it whatever you want, but I'm gonna go ahead and take those colors off for sure. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go with a black just to cover that up for now and keep the other blue in there. I'm not sure, but you guys can comment, see what you guys think, see where I should probably start. But like I said, most likely ignition switch, gas tank, and brakes for sure. That's where I'll start. In the meantime, I'm going to be shopping around for some 65 doors with the vents, and eventually get the pop-up windows. Like I said, it's it's a work in progress, but I hope you guys will follow along for the journey.
All right, so that wraps it up for my video. I'd like to thank Slade. Thank you for putting up all those videos. Inspired me to get back into the VW world. The reason I do love those videos is because they explain real life scenarios, things that come up, things that you could do in your own garage. So thanks for that, Slade, and I hope to see this video featured in one of yours. All right, have a good one.
Thank you, Raul, and I really appreciate you showing off your car. That is awesome. Nice ride. And if you didn't know, check out his YouTube channel. He's going to give little updates and show what he does to it right here.
I know I brought this up earlier, but I wanted to bring it up one more time. Check out Raul's channel when you get the chance.
So check it out when you get time. If you would like to feature your car on the community channel here for all the club members to see, even if it's a project, it's okay. Get in touch with me. The email is scrolling up the screen. I hope everybody has a great upcoming weekend. I'll see you Tuesday with part 2, should be the final one for the DIY. We're going to get pretty intense with it and show you how to line it up and mount the seat. Have a great weekend. Be safe, be happy. Go out and shake somebody's hand and be nice.